Alright, so here we are. This is, I think now day 10 of our trip across the Atlantic. We've got just another few hours to go before we reach St. Martin, so the first of our islands. It's been a steady crossing. It's very flat calm today. Not much wind, at 28 degrees. So warm. This is our vessel, because we're just about an hour away now from the build a boat on the boat competition, which we always like to have a go at. We've called this one, because of all its plastic and the fact that that's very dangerous and deadly for marine life, we've called our craft the deadly junk, because it's basically junk. But it's also a little play on words, because a junk is the name of a Chinese boat, and it's sort of got that kind of square wiggling effect. So it's got a little bit of a junk look to it, and it is junk. So we're hoping that'll get us points just for a silly name. It should sail, it shouldn't sink, but we haven't tested it, so it's all down to when it goes in the swimming pool in less than an hour's time, and what they do to it. But we're hopeful anyway. Okay, so for now, bye-bye.
Oh, that bright England.
It's indestructible, this.
Built a ship on a ship.
Yeah. Well, 16 please, if it's going to go there.
Would you float them out at sea?
No, in the swimming pool. You want it in the sea because it's like
Plastic. Yeah, would be
very dangerous.
Yeah, we'll just go and catch them all after.
Deadly junk.
I think so.
Get off.
I'd offer. I'd love a swim in the sea right
You will tomorrow.
You need your green boots after you. Check it in the sea afterwards.
Good afternoon, we're going to build a ship on a ship competition coming up very, very shortly. So what we want you to support is now below.
Build a ship on a ship. I thought you'd build a boat on the boats.
Do you know what I'm impressed with how stable it is? Good passengers.
Yes.
Don't my competitors take to the water.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was going to go down, to be honest.
Yes.
Well done.
Come on, get out,
Me, whoever made that comment. That wasn't your old mad dog being a bit rude to the competitors.
That's very good. I like it for conventions and it's stable, it's good. The pirate flag, we do try and avoid various areas if you're I like it, creative. Well done.
Very nice. Still a big round of applause.
The audio was particularly poor, the microphones, etc. That's my hearing's going, which is possible, but I did find it a bit muffled. The microphone wielders.
It is the deadly jump. Look at this. Wow. It's got the very raft sheet, hasn't it? Quite passed away with these. We've got something that's very environmentally unfriendly, this one. Constructed of some plastic bags, plastic bottles, some rubber gloves, some face masks, and a coat hanger, and I think a nail file as well. So it's got all the amenities you would need for a ship. What are we thinking, judges?
I do like how each passenger has their own mini suite in here.
Yes.
This is nice. That's
Fast and freezing.
And is that stabilisers on the side, like us? Is that the idea? Well, it's like, I don't like colours as well.
Oh, wow, very good. Yeah, it's got some stabilisers. Is it a springboard? Very nice. Right then. Shall we see if it will float? What do we think? Will it float? The crowd say no. Quite mixed. Okay, here we go. Pass it over to Lauren. In it goes. Right, let's see. It's floating very nicely. Very good. Give it a big round of applause. Okay, let's see if we can get it back. No splashing yet. It's going to take on its passengers. There's some lovely individual cabins there. No sharing on this one. They fit very nicely as well. Lovely space. In you go. Very efficient onboarding process.
Embarkation's very easy.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Very good. Let's around. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. No kicking just yet, everyone. Let's see if it'll flow with the passengers. It's doing very well. It seems to be standing a little bit in the middle, but it is holding true. Everyone's going to recover. Ooh. It's doing well. Right then. Here we go. It's time to face some bad weather. Let's ramp up the seas, everyone. Let's get some splashes. Very good. Off he goes on his journey. Here we go. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Off he goes. Big splash. Feet first then. And then it's floating absolutely brilliantly. It's taken on a lot of water, but nothing seems to be returning the It's returned back to land. The passengers may be feeling a little queasy, but they seem to be alright, just a little bit down. It's held together very well. So a very good job there. What do we think, judges?
So, I don't know if it's the prettiest ship I've seen.
Yeah.
However, I would work on that ship.
Yeah.
It's very stable.
It's meant to be pretty, it's junk. Did you not understand the concept? It's environmentally unfriendly. That's the whole point. That is the joke. It's not meant to be.
I mean, you said it's environmentally unfriendly, but I've got solar. So you're not doing any
No, they weren't getting it. And I think we did well enough to get a second. So to the judges.
That's what you want to hear about your ship, isn't it?
Yeah. But our winner has to go to the next Vino ship in the fleet. It's Arvia!
Got to be kidding. It went over on its side. Okay, well, we'll settle for second. I think that's respectable.
Well, back now after the building a boat on a boat competition. Very disappointed, actually. We didn't make third, and our little craft did everything it's supposed to do and did it well. It sailed, it didn't sink, it didn't tip over, it carried its passengers very well, and it was navigationally correct with its port and starboard, but sadly for the second year running, unplaced. Off to lick my wounds now with a beer.